MLSP. How we doing? What's going on? All right, so let's dive in. We're gonna go for 5 minutes, 10 minutes here. I'll share a little bit more like what I did on the call, and we'll go from there. So trying to please everybody, and I think not only does trying to please everybody actually harm you in the sense of that it destroys your confidence, but I also think that it takes away from your identity, and your identity of who you are. You're a very unique person. You have unique abilities. You have, unique talents about you. You have unique perspectives that other people need to hear. And what happens is when we try to please everybody, when we're too afraid of offending anybody, or we're too afraid of saying something that might, ruffle somebody's feathers or something like that. When we're too afraid to bring up those things, what happens is that it actually affects our own personal identity, in the sense of that we can't just freely speak who we are, what we represent, and that can have a huge impact. So you want to keep in mind these things that we talked about. I just believe that you've got to get to a point. And what is the essence of attraction marketing? We talk about it all the time in MLSP. And the whole essence of attraction marketing is attracting to you your perfect prospects. But with attraction comes repulsion. Okay. So attraction, also the other side of attraction is repulsion, repulsing others that aren't attracted. So it's actually a two-way thing. We tend to talk about the one side a lot, but we don't talk about the other. Attraction is attracting people, but with that also means you're going to repel others that don't gel with who you are and what you represent. So if we understand that regarding attraction marketing, it makes it a lot easier to accept when we get a negative comment. Now, we don't want to necessarily accept the negative comment, especially if it's not true. We want to get rid of that as soon as possible. But the point being is that we have to understand both sides of the attraction marketing equation, so to speak. One is attraction, the other is repulsion. And through attraction, we naturally will repulse. And that's how you gather, so to speak, your perfect prospect. That's what makes all the difference. Okay, so that can have a huge effect on your business and going forward. But I think that's such a huge thing. But I think also that one of the things that will help build your confidence, so that you don't be so that you're not so concerned about what other people are thinking, is that you have to get around other people that affirm the direction that you're going. And this is why I'm so big when it comes to events. MLSP does coaching weekends, they do retreats, all kinds of things like that. My personal opinion is that you should do whatever you can to get to one of those. You should be there, get around people, help it build your confidence. Just 2 weeks ago, I was in Austin for a mastermind retreat. And what was so amazing about it was to see the confidence of people go up over the weekend. People that came in not 100% sure in the direction they were going, but actually left with a greater confidence. And that confidence alone attracts. You see, part of attraction marketing is confidence. People love a confident person going in a direction. And that's where you want to be. You don't want to be wishy-washy. You don't really want to, you don't want to be kind of, well, I don't know really where I'm going or what I'm doing, because that's not going to attract people. People want to know, man, I want to head in that direction because he's going that way or she's going that way. And that's what I want to do. So that will have a huge impact on your results. It'll have a huge impact on the people that you attract to you. And it will make a huge difference, period. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I've got to share with you today. I don't see a lot of comments, so I don't know if it's actually not working or what, but I see a lot of hearts and things like that, but maybe it's the comments aren't working. Not sure. I usually see them, but Facebook, they love to make changes. So it could be that. But anyway, guys, that's all I got to share with you. I hope you got a little value out of this. Just remember, go out there, do your thing, put value out there, keep getting, better and better every day. Keep focusing on doing what you know to do. And you know what? Forget the naysayers. Put them aside, delete and throw away. Delete and move on. Delete and move on. That is the attitude you want to have. And I'm telling you, if you get around people that help build your confidence, affirm your direction, help build that confidence, and also you delete and move on. That is where you need to be when it comes to trying to please everybody. All right. So I love you guys. Appreciate you. Again, if you got value, share this and tag somebody. We'll see you in the next call. Love you guys. Have a good one. And we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.